Have you ever wondered how the information technology we use today came to be? Let's take a journey back to the 1960s. This was a transformative period in the realm of technology, marking the emergence of the concept of personal computing. The idea that a computer could be a personal tool, not just a room-sized corporate machine, was revolutionary. The year 1968 was a key moment in this evolution, when Douglas Engelbart demonstrated the online system, or NLS. This wasn't just another computer. It was an interactive computing environment, pioneering elements that we now take for granted. Engelbart introduced the world to the computer mouse, a device that made interacting with computers more intuitive. He also showcased graphical user interfaces and hypertext, features that make the digital world navigable and accessible. But the 1960s wasn't just about personal computing. It was also the dawn of networking. In the final year of the decade, the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, or ARPANET, made its first connection. This was a significant leap forward, as it enabled communication between computers over long distances. ARPANET was the precursor to the Internet, laying the groundwork for the interconnected world we are part of today. As the 60s came to a close, the foundation for our modern-day information technology had been laid. The stage was set for the next wave of innovation that would continue to shape the digital landscape as we know it. Moving into the 70s, the world of information technology was about to take some major strides. This decade was marked by the introduction of the Intel 4004 microprocessor in 1971, a game-changer that made computers smaller, more powerful, and most importantly, more affordable. This tiny silicon chip, packed with transistors, was the heart that would power the emerging breed of personal computers. In 1974, the Altair 8800 made its debut as one of the first personal computers. It was a kit-based machine that owners had to assemble themselves. Though it lacked the user-friendly features we're accustomed to today, the Altair 8800 was a beacon of inspiration for many tech enthusiasts. Among them were two young men, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, who saw the machine's potential and decided to enter the software market. Then came 1977, a pivotal year in personal computing. Apple launched the Apple II, a machine that brought color to the computing world. With its user-friendly interface, floppy disk storage, and a sleek design, the Apple II was an instant hit, underscoring the mass appeal of personal computing. It wasn't just a tool for businesses or scientists anymore. Computers were becoming a part of everyday life. The 70s revolutionized personal computing, making computers accessible to the masses. This era laid the groundwork for our current digital age, where computers are an integral part of our daily lives. While personal computers were becoming commonplace, networking technologies and software development were gaining momentum. As we delve into the late 70s, we find ourselves amidst a networking revolution. This was the era that witnessed the birth of Ethernet in 1973. More than just a fancy term, Ethernet was the key to creating local area networks, or LANs. These networks were crucial in connecting multiple computers within a limited area, making the sharing of resources a reality. This marked the first step towards an interconnected world, setting the foundation for what we now know as the Internet. Meanwhile, in the realm of software, two breakthroughs were taking shape. The creation of the C programming language and the Unix operating system were transforming the way we developed software. No longer were developers confined to the constraints of hardware-specific languages. The C language offered a high level of portability across diverse computing environments, while Unix provided a stable, multi-user operating system. Together, they standardized software development, making it more accessible and efficient. As personal computers proliferated, so did the need for user-friendly software. This period saw the emergence of the commercial software industry, catering to the growing user base. From utility software to games, the software industry was expanding rapidly, offering a plethora of choices to the users. The late 70s to early 80s brought us the beginnings of the Internet and standardized software development, setting the stage for the IT revolution. So, what did these 2 decades mean for information technology? Well, the era from 1960 to 1980 ushered in groundbreaking progress in IT. We saw the emergence of personal computing, the laying of the Internet's groundwork, advancements in microprocessors, and the rise of software development. These developments didn't just make computers an essential part of our society, but they also paved the way for the rapid growth of the IT industry. From 1960 to 1980, information technology went from a concept to a reality, shaping the world as we know it today.